Hello, kindergarten. It's me, Mr. Proft, America's YouTube sweetheart, here to explain the homework and more. There's actually going to be some bonus content with this episode. But first, let me share my screen and let's talk a little bit about the homework. There it is. First things first, it is due back in class Friday, April 1st. So make sure your student does a little tiny bit each day. So we're kind of going back and we're reviewing a couple of things. We're going to do a beginning sound match. I've got a queen. It looks like I've got an X-ray, and it looks like somebody is going up the stairs. So queen up X-ray. Which one of those things starts with the sound? So we're going to draw a line from the U to the upstairs. So we're matching the beginning sound with the picture. Down here, we're writing missing letters. This is a box, box. So your student needs to know what letters make those sounds. This paper is being cut, cut. And this is a fox, ox. Some people ask, why are the boxes shaped so funny? It's because it's to sort of give you a clue as to what letters go in there. The boxes are sort of shaped like the letters. The B is a little taller, and the O and the X are smaller. Here, the K, T, the T is a little taller. So that's why the boxes are shaped kind of funny. This is one of the first sight words we learned. It's the word A, right? Like I am sitting here in a classroom. So we're going to write the letter A, the word A. Remember, the letter A all by itself is a word. Same thing here. We're matching the pictures with their beginning sounds. This is a web, web. This is an ostrich, it's kind of bird. And this is a bus. So which letters make those sounds? We're going to connect the beginning sound with the picture. This again is a cob, like a corn on the cob, cob. This is a mop, mop. And this guy, I think he just, it's rob. This guy just went and robbed. So rob, rob. It's weird that he's a robber, but the word we're looking for is rob, rob. And here's another one of our sight words. It's the word you. So your student's going to practice writing the word you 3 times. Again, beginning sound match. Frog, dinosaur, leaf, matching the beginning sound with that. This is dig, dig, right? That dog is digging a hole, dig. Log, log, and this is like a shark's fin, fin. Here's another one of our favorite sight words. It's the word and. So we're going to practice writing and 3 times. Hey, look at this. We got number bonds. 3 and 0 come together to make what? 1 and 5 come together to make what? 4 and 4 come together to make what? When I say come together, we're adding, right? So 3 and 0, if you add those together, would be 3. 4 and 4, if you added those together, would be 8, right? Now we got kind of a puzzle here. One of the pieces is missing. 1 and something come together to make 5. So if you had 1, how many more would you need to make 5? 1, another way to say that is 1 plus what equals 5, right? 1, well, 1 plus 1 more? No. 1 plus 2 more? No. 1 plus 3? 1 plus 4, would that be 5? Maybe. So you could use your fingers. Your student could use Cheerios or pennies as a manipulative to help them figure that out. But 1 plus what is 5? 2 plus what is 5? 3 plus what is 5? And some more like that, because we are number bond crazy here. Now we're actually writing some number sentences. 2 plus 3 equals what? 1 plus 1 equals what? So on and so forth. You're finding the answer. Again, you could use your fingers to solve this. You could use Cheerios, you could use pennies, you could use Lego minifigs, anything you want. to help figure out what 3 and 3 is. If you wanted to use your fingers, 3 and 3. You could also draw a picture, right? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 is how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 6. So a bunch of different strategies. You can use any of them to solve that. Now, here's the little bonus content I talked about. This is a list of all the sight words your student should know by now. Sight words are words that we're just supposed to look at and immediately know what they are. Because if you tried to sound out some of these words, it really wouldn't make any sense, right? Like if you tried to sound out the word the, it would be t-eh, but we don't say t-eh, we say the. Why? I don't know. English is a really weird language. So these are words that we need to just look at and be able to recognize instantly. That's going to help us to read faster and more accurately. So these are all the ones we've spent time working on in class. I, in, and, can, a, see, do, his, or, was, it, by, the, he, up, on, you, to, at, his, for, his, and be. So you can quiz your student just to see how they are, see how they're doing. It would be great if they would know all of these or most of these, particularly ones that come up a bunch. They really should know the by now. They really should know and, I, and a. Is a in there? Yeah, a is in there. So hopefully they know most of those by now. That would be awesome. There you go. Okay, so that's the homework. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me or Miss Dano. And there you go. Have fun. Proft out. Stop recording by pressing that button now. And now.